Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing different types of slime pokers. So I'm going to be doing it with this big slime and it has beads on it and glitter. Okay, so the first slime, we're going to be doing different types of slime pokers. So the first one is the one that pokes it too hard. So let's go. So this is the one that pokes it too hard. So that's the one that pokes it too hard. Now, the next one is the one that pokes it too soft. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be poking my slime. And I'm gonna be poking it really soft because I don't want the slime to break. In any case, it could break and it could be really bad. So, here you go, enjoy the poking noises. The next one is the one that just shows you the edge, only like a little bit of the slime. So, is this one. So yeah guys, you guys like my slime? It's like super big. You guys can see it. You see it's like super big. Like it's this entire place. Like you guys like it? It's so good. It's like so big. You guys see it? It's like incredible. 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 The next slime poker is the one that only shows you a little bit of the slime. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you this slime. So yeah. So this slime was worth it of $20. Like the slime, this slime I made, it was worth it $20 and it's really good. It was worth it $20. It was really expensive. But here's a part of it. Because here's the big one, but I'm just showing you guys this. So it's like so good. The next slime poker is the one, oh my god. The one that's showing you how to make slime, but the whole beginning of the video is them playing with the slime. Okay guys, just to tell you, this was supposed to be slime pet peeves. So yeah, the one that makes a video about slime poking noises and the music is too loud. The next slime pet peeve is the one that pokes it with one finger. Okay, The one that pokes it with one finger. The next one is the one